Hey guys, welcome back to Bharat Adi Yogi. Today we are in the middle of Hyderabad called High-Tech City, a busy modern city, but we decided to take a random ride as today it is our weekday. No plan, no destinations. And guys what? Even in this fast moving city, we found nature, peace, and something unexpected. Just a few kilometers out, and suddenly the roads are quiet, trees are everywhere, and the vibe is totally different. Hyderabad isn't just building and traffic, it also has this beautiful peaceful side. You just have to explore.
तो अभी देख सक रहे हैं विकी और इधर हरिनाथ है और कैमरामैन घनश्याम के साथ। चलिए देखते हैं। हाँ, अभी फ़ोटो खींचना चाह रहा है देखो, और हम लोग का कैमरामैन विकी सर ये हरिनाथ को फ़ोटो खींचेगा। So both of are taking picture. They are taking advantage that they are taking advantage of his mobile. His mobile camera is really amazing, and here Harinath. And I don't want to disturb him. This is why I'm going little bit. I don't want to go closer. अच्छा अच्छा रहेगा। अच्छा ठीक है, लो उसको पहले लेने दो यार।
This doesn't feel like a city at all. It's like nature's own corner inside all the noise. We didn't accept this at all. That's the magic of unplanned travel.
और ये दोनों क्या कर रहे हैं?
Big Claim Lake, birds, trees around, less crowd. And here it is, a hidden lake, calm and quiet.
Oh my
right
God.
In Hyderabad.
सभी लोग दिखता है, हमको घर वाला भी दिखता है, तो ऐसा पोज नहीं देना चाहिए यार। ऐसा पोज नहीं है, क्या बोलूं? ये ऐसा सभी के पास रहता है। क्या ही बोलूं उसको? कौन सिखाएगा उसको?
A few moments later.
People think cities are only chaos. But when you take the road less travel, you find real peace, even in Hyderabad. This lake, these trees, this silence, all inside a city, feels like a blessing. This journey started with nothing but a random plan, and look What we found: Hyderabad's quiet side, nature, and a hidden lake. If you live in a big city, don't wait for a week trip. Just get out, explore nearby. You never know what you will find. Thanks for joining us in this peaceful part of Hyderabad. If you liked this simple journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And share this video if you believe every city has a hidden soul just waiting to be explored.
बहुत इन्जॉय किया। एक्चुअली अभी क्या है ना, मैं कुछ बोल नहीं रहा हूँ। आई एम नॉट स्पीकिंग बिकॉज ऑफ टू मच नॉइस एंड स्टिल आई डिड नॉट परचेज माइक। Without mic, if I speak also, my sound will not catch. I think you can understand that I am speaking too loudly. Yet probably you will be not able to hear my voice. This is why I do not speak. I will try to do voiceover so that whatever I want to share, whatever I want to tell, I will do. So right now. We want to go. अरे भाई दुकान में जाना है। कौन सा दुकान में जाओगे अभी? सो अभी जाएंगे। मेरे को थोड़ा ये बाल वगैरह भी काटना पड़ेगा।
Until next time, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.